Innovation is the heart of what we do. Today, we are proud to introduce the CU3-10M, our latest central unit that brings seamless Modbus integration into the iNELS ecosystem. Designed to bridge wide system automation with third-party Modbus devices, the CU3-10M is the game changer for smart building solution. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device exceptional. The CU3-10M is engineered with two dedicated RS485 interfaces, one for Modbus and another for iNELS bus. This ensures efficient real-time communication between iNELS automation and Modbus devices. It supports Modbus RTU communication, allowing seamless data exchange. The unit is compact yet powerful, built for reliable performance in the commercial, industrial and residential application.
Na straně softwaru jsme vylepšili IDM, které nyní nabízí intuitivní nastavení pro řízení Modbus. Uživatelé mohou snadno mapovat registry, konfigurovat rychlost dotazování, typy dat a sledovat výměnu dat v reálném čase. Systém podporuje flexibilní mapování Modbus registrů, což zajišťuje širokou kompatibilitu s různými zařízeními třetích stran. Díky integraci MQTT a cloudových služeb je vzdálené monitorování a ovládání jednodušší než kdy dřív.
We have put the CU3-10M through rigorous testing to ensure maximum reliability. Our team has tested it with various Modbus devices, including energy meters, HVAC controllers, and bus systems. The results? Stable, high-speed communication with seamless integration into iNELS.
The CU3-10M is a versatile solution for various applications. In hotels, it enables intelligent HVAC and energy management. In industrial settings, it integrates with smart meters and automation system. For commercial building, it allows seamless BMS connectivity. With its scalability, flexibility, and remote management capabilities, the CU3-10M is a key step forward in smart building automation. The CU3-10M is not just a product, it's a step towards the future of automation. We invite you to experience its capabilities and integrate it into your projects. For more details, visit our website or reach out to our team. Let's build a smarter building together. Thank you.